How to install updates for Kdenlive. First of all, open Kdenlive on your computer. Once it's running, click on Help in the top menu and select About Kdenlive. A window will appear showing the current version number installed on your system. Now, open your web browser and go to the official Kdenlive website at kdenlive.org. Navigate to the download section and check the latest version available for Windows. Compare that version with the one shown in your Kdenlive. If both versions match, your software is already up to date and no action is required. If the version on the website is newer, click on the Windows download option to get the latest installer. Once the download is complete, close Kdenlive completely. Then, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to update Kdenlive. Your existing projects and settings will remain safe during the update. After installation, open Kdenlive again and go to Help, then About Kdenlive to confirm that the new version is installed. And that's it. Now you know how to install updates for Kdenlive on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.